how to crack the YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram warm-up algorithm without getting shadow banned. Imagine this, you spend hours creating the perfect video. You uploaded it, refreshed, you got 10 views, 25 views, or maybe 70. Then, nothing. Meanwhile, someone uploads a lower quality video and gets 100,000 views overnight. You start blaming the algorithm. You think you're shadow banned. You buy another account, you buy followers, you try another niche, but none of that fixes the real problem. Here's what the most creators don't realize. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube don't immediately judge your content. They judge you first. Before your first video even has a chance, these platforms are already deciding one thing. Can we trust this account? Every social media platform has become incredibly aggressive against bots, fake engagement farms, spam marketers, and AI-generated accounts networks. Because of that, every new account goes through what many creators call a trust scoring phase. It's not officially called by that platforms, but the behavior is obvious. The first few days of an account's life determine whether the platform sees you as a real human or another spam account. Today, I'll show you the exact warm-up process I personally recommend before posting promotional content. This strategy applies to TikTok, but many of the same principles also work for Instagram and YouTube. But before we get into it, let me just introduce myself. I'm Kuya R. I'm a video editor and a digital content creator for about 5 weeks. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video to support my channel. And if this video helps, consider subscribing. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Let's get into it. Think about it from TikTok's perspective. Millions of fake accounts are created every single day. Scammers, fake giveaway page, crypto spam, affiliate spam, mass automation. If TikTok trusted every brand new account immediately, the platform would become unusable. So instead, every new account starts with almost zero trust. Your actions during the first few days slowly increase or decrease that trust. Most creators accidentally destroy their own account before posting their first real video. Here's what usually happens. Someone creates an account, uploads 5 videos in first hour, adds an affiliate link, follows 300 people, comments the exact same message everywhere, then wonders why every video gets 80 views. To the platform, that behavior looks exactly like a bot, not a creator. Now the second part, the biggest mistakes. Let's go through the biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1. Posting immediately after creating the account. New accounts have no history, no behavior patterns, no trust. Uploading immediately gives the platform almost no evidence that you are a real user. Mistake number 2. Adding links to your bio on day 1. Spam accounts almost always want one thing: traffic. The faster you try sending people somewhere else, the more suspicious your account becomes. Wait until your account has some activity first. Mistake number 3. Following hundreds of accounts. This is classic bot behavior. Real people don't usually follow 500 people within 10 minutes. Take it slow. Mistake number 4. Only interacting with one account. Some creators like only their own friends' content or only watch one creator. Real users naturally consume lots of content. Your activity should look natural. Mistake number 5. Uploading duplicate content. Platforms are incredibly good at recognizing reused images and recycled videos. If hundreds of people are uploaded the exact same slideshow, your chances of getting pushed decreases. Always make your content unique and original. Now let's go to part 3. Day 1 warm-up. Here's the exact day 1 routine. First, open TikTok. Spend at least 30 minutes scrolling your For You page. Don't just mindlessly swipe. Actually watch the videos. Pause, reading comments, interact naturally. Next, like around 15 to 20 videos. Only like videos that genuinely fit your niche. If you're making finance content, interact with finance creators. If you're creating fitness videos, stay inside the fitness niche. Then, leave 5 to 7 genuine comments. Don't write nice, cool, first, instead, write something meaningful, something that another human would actually say. Finally, follow around 8 of 10 creators. Not 50, not 100. Just enough to show natural behavior. And most importantly, do not upload anything. No videos, no slideshows, no affiliate links, no bio links, nothing. You're simply teaching the algorithm who you are. Let's go to part 4. Day 2. Day 2 follows the same idea. Spend another 30 minutes engaging naturally, search keywords related to your niche, watch at least 10 videos completely. Completion rate matters. The platform notices what you're interested in. Again, leave comments, like content, follow few more creators if necessary, but still, don't post. You're building account history, not chasing views. Patience here often pays off later. Part 5. Day 3. Now comes the interesting part. Day 3. This is where you finally upload your first piece of content, but don't make it promotional. Instead, post something engaging, educational, funny, interesting, something that fits your niche. A slideshow works well. Use a currently trend sound. Perfectly something that's gained traction within the past week. Make sure your images are original. Avoid downloading viral slideshows and reposting them unchanged. The goal isn't to sell. The goal is simply to generate healthy engagement. After posting, leave it alone. Don't delete it. Don't repost immediately. Give it time. Watch how it performs over the next 24 hours. Part 6. What your results might mean. Now let's talk about expectations. Some creators believe that if their first video gets fewer than 200 views, the account is permanently ruined. That's much too absolute. A low-performing first post doesn't automatically mean your account is cooked. Many factors influence performance: content quality, audience interests, competition, timing, retention, watch time. However, if multiple quality posts consistently receive extremely limited distribution despite strong viewer retention and good engagement, it may be worth reviewing your setup and testing a fresh account using a better warm-up process. Treat your first upload as a signal, not a final verdict. Now we are on the last part. The biggest mistake creators make isn't bad editing, isn't bad thumbnails, it isn't even bad hosts. It's rushing. They create an account, immediately try to sell something, then blame the algorithm. Social media rewards trust, and trust starts before your first viral video. Warm up your account, act like a real user, create original content, stay consistent, and let algorithm learn who you are before asking it to recommend your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Again, this is who we are, and I'll be creating more videos that break down social media algorithms, content strategies, and growth tactics so you can build an audience the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.